Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm going to go through fairly quickly because this is a whole year's worth of spreads, but I'll try and make it so that if you want to like pause and peek, you totally can. But this is my July 2017 until June 2018 planner. She is very thick. This is my new planner that just has a couple of spreads in it. Same like amount. This is a year and the other one's a year as well. But yeah, so let's go ahead and give this a flip through. It's kind of cool because this is the year that I became a mom, which is cool. And I also have a custom cover that I had made at Erin Condren, and this is art from Kitten is Just from my like Mother's Day like vintage chic mystery kit. So I thought this was really cute. I like put the two different like mom and baby together because Bennett has blonde hair and I have brown hair. Anyways, let's go ahead and flip through this. So I do have some like random stickers in here that I just wanted to put in, and then I did do monthlies for a little, and then you'll notice that I like glued them together like how Jessica does. This week I was 26 weeks pregnant. This is a really old format. It still has the like date cover strips, but I thought this turned out pretty cute. I like the purples in it. This is a Planner Gems kit. I was 27 weeks pregnant, 28 weeks pregnant, and this is, I think it was like, was it Stay Chic? Is that what it was called? Probably. So we definitely evolved in the kits from the year. This just seems like so long ago. So long ago. Then 29 weeks pregnant, and this is another one of my kits. And this one was a glitter kit, which I love the colors of this. The pink and the blue together are like life. And then this was also another one of my kits. This art was like super popular. This was also the planner party. Was the planner party in here? No. Planner party? Oh, it's coming up. I'm so used to rewinding. Ooh, then this was the planner party kit. That, I mean, I would have figured that out, I guess, if I would have just continued. But I love all of the black and gold together. Maybe I'll reformat this one day. And then there's the As If kit, which was a Clueless theme kit. Another one that I probably should reformat. This one was a party exclusive, but I think I could probably reformat that now. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. This was very like fall colors. I think I went from white space, no white space here, and then this was like my first try. I tried a while back, I think, like to do the no white space look, I guess, and then this was kind of like how I did it for a while. So I did checklists up top, and then full boxes in the middle, and then like little things, and then other stuff above it. And then I kind of was like, nope, I'm gonna go back to white space. So this was a I don't remember what this was called. There's honestly like so many kits that come out with like 4 weeks, so I don't ever remember the names, but this was like a pug kit. This reminds me of all the girls. So cute. And then this is just the September monthly. I kept my monthlies pretty simple whenever I did do them. I just have a bunch of pumpkin paper, is that Pumpkin Paper Co. kits? And this is, I don't remember what this one is, Cozy Glitters maybe? This is a really pretty kit. I love the colors in this. Another one that's super gorgeous. And then this one I had a wedding. Oh, Brie and Bruce's wedding. So I didn't actually get to go to this because I was, how many weeks pregnant was I? It should be here, right? 36 weeks pregnant. So I didn't go to Brie and Bruce's wedding, but I wanted to use a kit to still commemorate it. Then this was 37 weeks. I love the colors in this kit. This is another one. I always pull stuff from this art set, like the hand that's in a lot of kits still, and then these color swatches are in a couple of kits. And then this one is Happy Fall, y'all, and this one's really pretty with like the Burberry type patterns, and I was 38 weeks pregnant. This is my October monthly. My due date was on the 7th, and I was induced on the 8th, labor, and then Bennett was born on the 10th. Yeah, I was in labor from like midnight to like 5 in the morning. Then this is, I don't remember what this one's called, but this is really pretty. I love the silver accents on this. This is another one that I could have reformatted for fall. And I do pull some things from this one every once in a while. Like the dogs, I try and pull different dogs from here every once in a while, but this one's really cute. And I was 39 weeks pregnant. And then this was the week that Bennett was due, so I did use Little Star, which is reformatted and in the shop currently. I was due on the 7th, and I went into the doctor's on Wednesday, and they were like, they already knew that they were going to induce me, and then I did do a white space one this week. but I thought that they would induce me like in the following week, and she was like, no, we're gonna do it on Sunday. So I was like, okay, cool. And I had my final meal at Uchi, and they actually told me that they couldn't do karage the way that I like it, and then I found out later that they could do karage, so it was kind of disappointing. But yeah, and I even went to work on this day, which is funny. Like, I worked these days, and I think I went to work again. Yeah, I went into work on Friday after he was born on the 10th. So this was the week that he was born. This is like the only picture of Bubba I've really shared, and this was like 2 days after he was born. He's so cute, so cute. And I did make this little like board using some TWG art and then just some like regular like clip art. So this was the longest day ever. I pretty much had contractions until, well, I mean all day obviously, but labor pains until I had my epidural, which my epidural was at like, I think like 11 or 10 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I just slept the rest of the day, and then I had him in the morning at 5:50 a.m. He was 7 pounds 5 ounces 20.5 inches. He was a tall boy. He's still a tall boy. He's a tall blonde boy with blue eyes. He's so cute. And then Nick's parents got here, and then I sent them home, which is funny. I was very like, I was for probably about 2 months, I was like an anxious, nervous, emotional mess. So that was fun. And then this is, and then also my other problem I think that was that I like did something every day. Like, we went places every day with Bennett, which I feel like was kind of crazy. Like, he was born this day, and then we were at the hospital, and then we came home, and then we went to his doctor's, and then we went to Bobby Baby and Target, and then we went to the Barton Creek Mall and went to his first Lego store, and then Nick's parents got here, and then we had newborn photos, and then I went to work. I don't think we did anything this day, and then we went to lunch, and that's where, this is the day that I didn't mark it, but this is the day where I broke down and was like, I need my space. And then this is a Crest Press kit, which is so cute. I wanted to go pumpkin picking again this week, but I kind of like realized the day that I like freaked out that like I should just stay home and do nothing. I did go to work a couple of days because at this time I was the only person filling orders, and I didn't close the shop at all, but I wasn't at work for very long. This is my November monthly. This is so pretty. This is Witchy, I think, from last year. This is like gorgeous. I love the colors in this. Should have reformatted this one too, but oh well. And then this is Deck the Halls, which was like my first Christmas kit. And then I did use another Christmas kit. Like, I'm wild. I'm totally crazy. I think I'm going to do the same thing again this year because I just love Christmas. And then another Christmas kit. This is the Glam Planner. This was my favorite like glam planner kit ever. I love the colors in it. Like the red with the gold and the black. It's just so chic. And this was like Thanksgiving week. I didn't have like a Thanksgiving kit that I really wanted to use. I do this year though. And then I think, yeah, this is when I started like gluing my monthlies together because I was like, no thanks. And then this is the, I don't think it was the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show week. So this was a really cute kit for that with the gold and the silver. And then there's Once Upon a Time, which is a really pretty winter kit, which I kind of like don't even know how I fit this one in. It was just like a winter kit whenever, maybe I didn't have as many Christmas kits this year, but this year I think it's gonna be a problem. And then this one I used because it was Nick's birthday, and I thought this was kind of like a nice like birthday winter kit. It was also Hanukkah this week, so it like really worked out. And then this one I am reformatting because I think it's beautiful. It looks really like very different. And then I have like my Simply Gilded wash in here, which is really cute. And then White Space, this was like me trying to like copy Jessica. And then this was kind of like going back to like how I like to do waifus with like the boxes in the middle and the checklists on top. And I really love this week. This is probably one of my favorite weeks because I started to like put a little bit more foil into the spreads because I got a lot more foil. Like my orders from Black Friday were in, and I was like pumped. And then this was like a monthly that I wanted to try out doing kind of the like rewind look kind of thing, and I've been doing it. I did it last month, and I don't think I did it any other month now, but I really like the way it looks. And then this was me trying to plan as I go. I didn't film this week, but I tried to plan as I go and like film, and then I got to Wednesday and was like, nah thanks. But this is a really cute week. I don't really know. There's nothing like crazy that happened this week, I don't think. Oh yeah, we went home. We were home this week because we left because Bennett had a sip and see here, and then we went home here. So super cute. Bennett had his first giggle, which was cute as well. And I really love this collection. I did reformat this, I believe. I don't know if yeah, I already put this back in the shop. So I reformatted this. I love this kit. It's so pretty. Again, I was going a little bit, this was me wild on the foil, but like I feel like now it's like crazier. And then this kit's really cute. I'm reformatting this one as well as Baby It's Cold Outside. I love this with the hollow, like so pretty, so cute. And then this one's really pretty too. The Bloom, which I'll probably reformat next spring. This is when I got tattoos with Jessica, which is this one, the Broom. And then this one is where I started my Valentine's Day spreads, I think. So this was a Valentine's Day spread. Got another Valentine's Day spread, but it was 4 months. I feel like time just flies. Another Valentine's Day spread. This was for my anniversary. So this was, Nick and I had been together for 11 years and married for 2. This one's really pretty. Mauvelous. I think it turned out really, really cute. And I changed to like a thicker pen, which I don't really think I love, but still turned out pretty cute. This one I really loved. This one I think filming was like a pain. I don't even know if I filmed it. This one's gorgeous. This one we went to New Orleans. Me, Jessica, Nick, and Bennett went as a little fam. And then this one's really pretty. This is Posy. I think this is my first week with glitter header overlays, I believe. And it turned out fantastic. I think it looks beautiful. I did for a while do, I think like maybe a couple weeks, I did the ombre heart checklist on top and then alternated the boxes. I think I did it for, yeah, for a couple of weeks. I think it looked cute. I think it looked cool whenever I had like really interesting ombre hair checklists, and this was the week I was supposed to go to Vegas, but then I like dipped out and decided not to on Friday. Well, it was like more Saturday morning, but so I didn't really like, I already had this down, so it was okay. Then it was Easter week, which these weeks need wiggles because I started to get more and more crazy on the foil. Super cute. And then this week I used the Mommy Lay collab, which was another adorable mini kit exclusive. And then this was Bennett's 6 months, which is crazy, so I went wild on foil and I just think it looks beautiful, and it was a great like birthday, kind of like his half birthday kit, which I like. This was the week that Scandal ended, which is so sad, but I thought that this week was really, really pretty for a week that wasn't like pink and pretty, you know. Then this week was my birthday week, so obviously I had to go crazy on the foil and used Birthday Babe, which is what it's called now in the shop. And then this was Jessica's birthday, which I did use the first format of Jessica, which I prefer the new one, but I think this one's still really, really cute. And then on this one was my first Mother's Day, which again I was pretty much went ham on foil from now on out, but super cute. And this was a mystery kit. And then this one is Palm Beach. I was supposed to go to Palm Beach. No. Is this called Palm Springs? And then I was supposed to go to Palm Beach. But Nick and Bennett were sick. Is that what this was? I think it was. I'm not 100% sure, but it's really cute. And then this was just a random week that I used the Amanda kit because I thought it was really pretty. And then this week I did go to New York for the One Time in a Million birthday party, and I thought that this reformat of the New York kit, which I don't believe, no, it's not in the shop anymore, but I thought it was perfect. And then Bow to School, which is in the shop currently. Super cute. Just use this because I thought it was really cute, like bow kit. And then this week I did go swimming, or I wanted to go swimming or something, I don't remember. Oh yeah, swimming. So I used this kit, and this is a photo kit, and it's no longer in the shop, but I love the colors in this. And then this is the week I went to go see Jurassic World, and I love this kit. I didn't use any foil this week, which is really weird, but I think it still turned out cute. And that was the very end of my planner. I usually remove all of the like excess stuff. Like I'm gonna just remove this too because we don't need that. So that's like everything for this whole entire planner. She's thick, she's beautiful. I've never finished a full planner. Like I always like skip around and like skip from planner to planner, but this is the first year since using an Erin Condren that I finished her, and I am so proud of myself. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.